welcome back to the show, and we have a special edition of Carrie's Collectible Corner. Who's Carrie? That's me, Miss Hands. I have a channel called Carrie Hands where I open up collectibles. If you hop over to my channel, you can see me open up Toki Doki Supermarket Besties and Donatella. You can click this link after you watch this video. Today it's all about The Nightmare Before Christmas. This is an advent calendar made by Funko. There are 24 pocket pops inside. And yes, this is an advent calendar. And yes, this is The Nightmare Before Christmas. And yes, we are in October. But Jack Skellington and Sally are so spooky, and they get me in the mood for Halloween. So let's hop right into this. So we have days 1 through 24, and we're getting started with door number 1. There's a blind bag back here, and our first figure is inside. We'll give it a little snip and see what we have inside. I see a big pumpkin head. The Pumpkin King is in the house. Wasn't I just saying The Nightmare Before Christmas puts me in the Halloween spirit? And we're going for door number 2. Oh, they have different colored blind bags. Check that out. Okay, yes, we have Zero. Our little ghost dog here. Let me show you a very cool detail on his nose. Look at that jack-o'-lantern. It is carved. You can see the face on the nose. You can tell he's flying through the air because of the movement on his ears and on the bottom of his ghost body. All right, door number 3. We are back to the blue blind bags. And who do we find? Uh-oh, it's the mayor. And not just any old mayor, the mayor of Halloween Town. So of course he's got 2 faces. Look how spooktacular this face is. And whoa, turn him around and look at this face. Let's move on to door number 4. I always find it interesting when you have bags that are different textures. I know, it's weird. But the previous bags were softer, and this is very different. Oh yes, we have Oogie Boogie in the house. You can see the stitching that runs all the way up his body, onto his head. It's also around his mouth and on his arms. That is a big mischievous smile if I've ever seen one. So we still have not found Jack or Sally. Let's see who we find inside of bag number 5. We have found Sally. Here is adorable Sally. I love this character. I love her hair. We saw the stitches on her face and her little stitches that look like her eyelashes. Such a cool detail. All right, door number 6. And we have Jack. Jack is wearing his sleeping cap. It's quite long in the back. He's holding a book that says The Scientific Method, and he's got his big Jack smile. Door number 7. What will we find this time? I am the clown with the tearaway face. And just look at that face. How menacing does he look? Those teeth look fierce. That big red nose. Look at his hat up top. We'll get the full 360 here. He has a tricycle in his hands. And the other hand, well, it's waving hello. If that guy came trick-or-treating to my house, I don't know if I'd want to open the door. Okay, we are going to open up bag number 8 now. Ooh, it's the adorable vampire Teddy. This one is actually kind of cute. Look at that big mouth, the little teddy ears. It reminds me a lot of Maleficent, and a vampire, of course. Okay, behind door number 9, we have a little itty bitty one. It's Locke. Look at the mask. Oh, what is he holding? A little slingshot made of bones. Oh, his hair is pretty cool back here. He's got his fingers crossed in the back. Funny little detail there. Oh, this one's pretty amazing. I have a feeling we may be seeing some shock and barrel soon. Okay, door number 10. Are we going to be in shock when we see this one? Yes, we are. All right, here is shock. Oh, that mask is so creepy. Look at the frowning face. Love the hair. Look at that hair. Of course, there's this hat up here. Another bone slingshot. And let's see. Fingers are not crossed in the back. All right, let's see what we have here. We have another Jack Skellington. Of course, this Jack is wearing his suit that we're used to seeing him wear. Very nice, and he's holding a little tiny snowflake. Door number 12. We are halfway done. And in this bag, oh, we have Barrel. Out of luck, shock and barrel. This one is probably my favorite. I love the mask that Barrel wears. Look at the lollipop here. And if you look at his costume, he has this purple skeleton costume on. Lucky number 13. Oh, I just knocked a bunch of my guys over. Oh, sorry guys. Do I see Jack in there? Whoa, it's Jack as a snowman. There's no checklist included, so it really is a big surprise what you're going to get each day. Well, I guess not much of a surprise if you're watching this video, but look at this little umbrella. The handle on it is a little itty bitty candy cane. So sweet. All right, guys, you need to stand up. No sleeping on the job. I think the closer I get to the bottom, the more often I'm going to knock down my figures. Okay, in we go to bag number 14. Whoa, yes! We have Dr. Finkelstein. Look at the brain in that head. So big and brainy. Look at his mouth. Oh, those teeth. He's got his goggles on. He's in his wheelchair. This is an amazing little figure. All right, we are on to 15. That means we have 10 left, including number 15. Oh, I can tell by the hair we have another Sally. Here's Sally. This time she's sitting down. You can see her little boots and her purple striped socks. Her hair is draping down over her body. Door number 16. Let's get 15 out of the way. All right, door 16. Let's see what the door has in store for us. Ooh, cool. So you might be saying, what's so cool? We already have a 0. Well, this one is clearly a glow in the dark 0. I'm going to let it charge while I open up the rest of these guys, and I'll show you the glowing 0 at the end. We have door 17 coming up next. I can see big eyes through here. It looks like another Jack. Yes, here we go. Here he is. So this Jack is very similar to the last one we opened up. His body is positioned a little bit differently. As you can see, he does not have a snowflake in the one we just opened up, but otherwise his costume and face are the same. All right, let's see what's day 18 hold for us. In this bag, ooh, whoa, whoa, whoa. It's Harley Quinn Demon. Okay, this one is amazing. Let's take a close look at that mouth. Okay, those teeth are terrifying. And the wild thing is the mouth is opened all the way around. Got the horns on top, and this one just looks so amazing. All right, guys, I gotta move you so I can get to the doors down here. I'm knocking everyone down. Sorry, guys. But I'm in a hurry to find out what's behind door number 19. What do we have here? Oh, another little Oogie Boogie. So our first Oogie Boogie was green, as I'm sure you remember. We have our little brown one here, or tan. And again, he has all the amazing stitching on them and his big face. Let's see if they're the exact same. They are not. Okay, so clearly they're different colors, but also the expression on their faces are different. Door number 20. We are close to the end. Oh, I think I know who's in here. I was thinking we were missing someone kind of important. Santa Claus! Look at Santa. You know, sometimes I feel like the Pocket Pops have more detail than the big ones. I know that's kind of weird to say, but they are so well done. Santa has his list. I love the way his cap is textured up here. You can almost feel the cotton. His beard is amazing. His little face, oh Santa. Door 21, who have we not gotten yet? There is a big guy I'm thinking about. Oh wait, is this him? It is, it's Behemoth. Look at those overalls. Look at that face. He has his yellow gloves on. Look at the axe in his head. Oh, you're not having a good day when you have an axe in your head. You can see the stitches up top on his head too. Just 3 more left. What's behind door number 22? I don't know because the bag does not want to open. Okay, oh, I see glitter. This is our 3rd 0. This 0 is a very special 0 with all of that glitter on there. Of course, you can't have too many zeros. It's such a special little one. Ooh, okay. I wonder if the last 2 are Jack and Sally because that makes sense. And I wonder if they also have glitter on them. I have not seen this opened, so I'm totally guessing and could be totally wrong. But I feel like that's a magical way to end things. Oh, we have a Jack. Snowman Jack. And he is covered in glitter. So my question for you in the comments is, do you use Nightmare Before Christmas to decorate for Halloween or for Christmas or for both? Okay, so I'm thinking I was wrong with my prediction that we'd have Jack and Sally at the end. I'm guessing we're getting another Jack. I can't get it out. The box doesn't want to let it go. Come on, we need the last one. I'm definitely standing by my prediction that there will be glitter. Oh wait, there's no glitter right here. Uh-oh. It's Santa Claus Jack. Okay, I was totally wrong about the glitter and about Sally. And for some reason, I had completely overlooked the fact that we didn't have Santa Jack. I guess getting Santa and several different Jacks threw me off. But of course we need Santa Jack. Look at him, he's holding a present. You can kind of see under his beard if I hold him like this. He has his belt on, his little Santa hat, and now Christmas can officially begin in October. Here's Spooky Glowing 0. I hope you guys enjoy watching me open up collectibles. Again, you can check out Carrie Hands for more collectible goodness. And I'll see you guys in the next video.